Hello everyone, here I am Saswati Rath studying in standard 10th of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Nuapada. Today I am here standing before you to express my view on the learning topic cooperation. A man has got limited ability. He cannot be a great things without the cooperation of others. People cooperating with others can do a great things. The principle of cooperation are apply on all the level of our activity. Thereby our tasks become easier. So we would encourage cooperation among ourselves and tell others its value. Cooperation make tasks easier because the difficulty of a task are distributed over all men cooperating. People cooperating with others can do a great things. A task which a man unable to do singly can do with the cooperation of others. Hence, cooperation is very useful for us. In modern time, people cooperating with others on an organized basis. They cooperative through cooperative society, cooperative farming, association, union, federation and the like. Cooperative society is very useful for us. A cooperative lending society saves its member from SILOC. The cooperative industry society gives better advantage to its members. People start important village industry through cooperative society. Farmers do cooperative farming for their better advantages. These are the few examples of modern method of effecting cooperation. It is also helps to encourage find to two countries development highly through the process of friendship and cooperation. Our mother country India to have the economic cooperation among friendly states. Cooperation is the basis of all development. So the advanced countries are making marked progress through cooperation. Our India country should quickly take up the modern method of cooperation. Thanks to all and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.